they go.
I thought they were.
Here we go, Brandon.
I thought they were for you.
Okay.
Well, don't do nothing crazy.
Go crazy.
Don't do nothing crazy.
Oh, too bad. I'm drowning. Can you swim, Brandon? It just kept. Wait right here. She's coming back. What are you shivering for? No, you're not. Are you cold?
What happened?
The tube went under. Right when I climbed up, you were going too slow.
Trying to kill me on the golf cart. Trying to kill me on the water. Ooh. Is that all you got?
I'll try to go faster.
No.
Searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Whoa, into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive deep into the wild.
Okay, and that's how they ended their tubing adventure.
Don't take a picture of that.
Yeah.
We've got Tyson looking mighty handsome. Oh, and Bella. Bella? Get him. Get him.
This time it's changing the top for the filter. And you just turn which way you want to go. So this is the stop button when you want to cut the engine off. Red stop, green start. Yeah, kind of bounce.
In the middle will bounce out.
There you go.
I was good at taking. Are you taking pictures of this?
Yes.
I'm about to say something.
Most jet skis aren't like this. You got to get on fast. Fast, Brandon, go, go, go.
There you go. Once you're up here, it's pretty stable. This gets clipped on right there.
Hit me up on YouTube.
I got There you go. Red button, Brandon. Red button. There you go.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Is that as fast as you want to go? Okay, cool. Goodbye.
Bella. Bella, are you swimming? Are you gonna swim with us? Hi. Hi. You want out? Oh, you look so sweet. Okay, go back. Go swim. Go swim.